Non-resident Goans holding foreign passport will not be treated as foreigners but as persons of Indian origin holding foreign passports, and that he or she may be given extended visa to stay long in Goa, informed the Commissioner for NRI Affairs, who has taken up the matter with the central government to ensure that persons of Indian origin or overseas citizens of India card holders are granted stay in the country for 15 and 30 years respectively.
Addressing a press conference at Marqueenas Palace in Panjim on Tuesday, the Commissioner for NRI Affairs informed that Goans holding foreign passport are wrongly issued tourist visas. Instead, they should be given long-term or extendable visas.
They come very often, more often than not, on tourist visas, which is not correct, which is wrong. Tourist, why it is wrong? Because tourist visas last only for 3 months. Maximum 6 months. Maximum 6 months. After that, they must necessarily go back, as I understood here. Now I felt very much about these things because so many cases keep coming to me. I felt very much. So I wrote to the Home Minister, Mr. Chidambaram, and he very promptly replied after having a meeting with all his officers.
Mr. Fulero informed that he had taken up the matter with the Union Home Minister and the Ministry of Home Affairs, who have responded saying that they would advise the missions concerned and foreigners a regional registration office in Goa to ensure that long-term visas were issued to the said category of people.
This letter is there, which is self-explanatory. It says it all. I am going to also to speak to our Minister, External Affairs, you see, so that he informs his missions and high commissions and embassies abroad to give them X visas. X visa means extendable visas. That visa is valid for 5 years and can be renewed. X visas, not tourist visas, to persons of Indian origin, including Goans. Here, I have requested our Home Minister here, Mr. Ravi Naik, also to instruct his department, Home Department, and his FRRO to deal leniently with our Goans. Don't send them away like that.
Mr. Fulero has appealed to all non-resident Goans holding foreign passport to apply for a person of Indian origin certificate or overseas citizens of India card at the earliest, which will entitle them to stay in India for 15 and 30 years respectively.